Daniel Smith's Quinacridone Coral, bright, warm, and luminous. Let's push a clean wash and see how it blooms and moves across the paper. Coming to you from the studio today, I'm working on Daniel Smith's Quinacridone Coral. This is a really pretty red color. It's pretty strong out of the tube. Now it's a quinacridone, so it's going to be a very strong staining color. And what I want to do first is I want to just see if I can get a smooth transition from the darkest I can get the color to this absolute white, a graduated wash on the piece of paper. This actually does, it's pretty easy to get a smooth transition with this color, which is one reason that I do like using this. And the next test I'm going to do is I want to see if this color blossoms very well. Now certain colors blossom very easily, certain colors don't. Does this color soak into the paper too fast, or does it sit on top of the paper? So I'm putting down like a mid to dark value wash of the color, letting it sit for a few seconds, and then come back in with the brush and dropping some water on top of that to see if this does create blossoming or cauliflower effects. This color actually is not a great blossomer. It has a tendency to soak into the paper a little bit too quickly here. I'd give it a scale about a 4 out of 10 with blossoming effects. And the next swab wanted to make like a light value wash. Now I'd screwed up and I forgot to turn on the camera last time. Real genius, Ryan. And so I had washed it off really quickly. You can see it was already staining the paper. So I'm trying to put down this light value wash and drop more water on top to see if this blossoms. And you can just see this doesn't really blossom very much. With water blossoms, one of the hardest things, you just got to put the water down and just let it kick in. Don't mess around with it too much. And you can see here, these are the final studies here, and it does some soft blossoming effects, but it's not a super strong blossomer. Quinacridone Coral delivers a vibrant, transparent wash with smooth transitions and soft, organic blooms. Perfect for light-filled color and glowing effects. If you enjoyed this content, please hit subscribe. If you're interested in all the materials used in this painting, check out the YouTube description below. Thank you for watching, and happy painting.